To enter a promo code in the application, first ensure you have access to the platform, which can be downloaded from the App Store or accessed via the web. The version of the application may vary across regions and countries, so verify that it is available in your area. Once you have accessed the homepage, you will see a display of your location and various landmarks. The application is location-based, so it will work in conjunction with your current location. To apply a promo code, click on the hamburger menu, which will reveal a drop-down list of options, including payment, promotions, and support. Select the payment icon, and if you have a registered code, you will find it among the payment details. Click on the option to apply the promo code, and you will be able to access its value. This process is simple and seamless, allowing you to easily redeem your promo code and start using the application's features.